Question: 3x plus 5 is equal to 5x minus 11. Find the value of x. Solution: 3x plus 5 is equal to 5x minus 11. Compare both left hand side and right hand side. Here 3x is in left hand side and 5x is on right hand side. Compare these two. Which one is the smallest one here? That is 3x is the smallest one. Take minus 3x on both sides. Plus 3x and minus 3x get cancelled. Remaining constant number is plus 5 is equal to plus 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x. Carry minus 11. Now remove minus 11. For that we have to put plus 11 for both sides. Then minus 11 and plus 11 get cancelled. Plus 5 plus 11 is equal to plus 16 is equal to 2x. 16 is equal to 2x. 2 is the coefficient of x. So, by dividing 2 on both sides, 16 by 2 is equal to 2x by 2. X is equal to 8. Let we verify the sum. Verification: 3x plus 5 is equal to 5x minus 11. Replace the x value is equal to 8. 3 into 8 plus 5 is equal to 5 into 8 minus 11. 3 into 8, 24 plus 5. 5 into 8, 40 minus 11. 24 plus 5 is equal to 29. 40 minus 11 is equal to 29. It is verified. Question: 5y plus 10 is equal to 4y minus 10. Find y. Solution: 5y plus 10 is equal to 4y minus 10. If we compare both sides of the equation, 5y is in the left hand side, 4y is in the right hand side. 4y is smaller than the 5y. Hence, put minus 4y on both sides. Then, plus 4y minus 4y get cancelled. 5y minus 4y becomes y plus 10 is equal to minus 10. In the left hand side, y plus 10 is there. To cancel plus 10, we have to take minus 10. Then put minus 10 on both sides. Minus 10 and plus 10 get cancelled. Then y is equal to minus 20. For verification, we have to verify the sum. Taking the sum, that is 5y plus 10 is equal to 4y minus 10. Replace the value y by minus 20. 5 into minus 20 plus 10 is equal to 4 into minus 20 minus 10. Plus 5 into minus 20, 100 minus 100 plus 10 is equal to plus 4 into minus 20 is equal to minus 80 minus 10. Minus 100 plus 10 is equal to minus 90. Minus 80 minus 10 is equal to minus 90. On both sides you got minus 90. Then it is verified.